In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a drop-down menu on your Wix website. So the first thing you need to do, if you land on the dashboard when you log into Wix, just click on Edit Site. That will take you to the Wix website editor. Now, if you want to create a drop-down menu, you need to go and click this menus and pages button underneath this plus. And what you need to do is you need to click on this button that says Add a Folder. It says create a drop-down submenu with sub-pages under an unclickable item. So the key there is the sub-pages. So click on add a folder. Then you can give this a name. So I will name this iPhone, since this is a test tech website. Then click on done. And now what you want to do is add the pages that's going to be the drop-down menu pages. So I'm going to click on add page, and I'll just add 2 pages. For this example, I'm going to click add blank page, and I'm just going to name this iPhone 6. Click on done, and then I'm going to add a second page just to show you how the drop down menu would work, but it could be any one of these pages. So blank page, and it's going to load up the pages again. I can name this one iPhone 8. Click on done. Now to actually make this a drop down menu underneath the iPhone folder, so bring the iPhone folder to the top. And then what you want to do is click this 3 dots next to each one of those pages that you created, and then click on sub page. And you want to do the same for the second one, sub page, and then you can see it kind of looks like a drop down now. So that's saved. I can exit out of here. And if I go ahead and publish this, that's just going to take a moment to publish. And once that's done, I can close out of here, then click on preview the website. And if I hover over iPhone, you can see now it says iPhone 6 and then iPhone 8, making that a drop-down menu. So that is how you add a drop-down menu in Wix. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.